Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature on WhatsApp Web that will make your messaging experience even smoother. If you're using WhatsApp Web on your PC, you can now search for messages or keywords quickly using a simple keyboard shortcut. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, head over to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. If you're not already logged in, simply scan the QR code with your phone to sync your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, navigate to one of your pinned chats or groups. These are usually located at the top of your chat list for easy access. Click on the group or chat you want to search within. Now, here's where the magic happens. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus / all at once. This shortcut instantly opens the search bar within WhatsApp Web. It's a quick and efficient way to start searching without having to click around. Once the search bar appears, type in the word, phrase, or keyword you're looking for. WhatsApp will automatically filter through the messages in the selected chat or group and highlight any matches it finds. This makes it incredibly easy to locate specific information without scrolling endlessly through conversations. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can save time and find exactly what you need in seconds. This feature is part of WhatsApp's ongoing updates to improve user experience on its web platform. So go ahead, try it out today and streamline your messaging workflow like never before.